everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing a video for a review for BeeBeeCrafts for the coasters that I got from them, or the molds that I got. I actually had an extra one of these, so I'm doing a couple. So I got one of these and this from them. So far, I've layered like my first layer and I've let it set. I didn't want to make a whole video of doing all of that. It would be so long, but so I put down a first thin layer down at the bottom, so that way I have black on the bottom. And then I'm going to add some sparkle to it. I've mixed up my resin here, and then I used this Snowy Surprise. I got it from Michael's. And then I also have some finer, extra fine glitter, and it's Creatology. I got that from Michael's as well. So I just kind of mixed the two of them together. That's what I have in this cup right now. And yeah, so I'm just going to I think I'm going to go around the edge, and then I'm just going to kind of bring some pieces to kind of come out a little bit. bring you back in tomorrow when I see how these are and finish this one. Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining me back here on this. I am going to demold these. Like I said, I'm not overly happy with how I did it, but the molds I like. The molds are beautiful. I think I just need to do a little bit more practicing. I'm not really too excited about this, though. I think if I draw some lines on here, I'm not really sure. I need to outline this here yet. Sorry if I didn't have that in the camera, but if I need to outline this here. But they are pretty. These molds are nice, really flexible. They pop out really nicely. This one I like, this one I like, this one I like, this one I wish there was a little bit more glitter in the middle. But they're pretty. I just did the solid on the bottom and then really blingy there. So I'm really happy with these molds. These are really fun. Like I said, I got to do more practicing for my skill set to make them look kind of... I just need to work more with the resin to like get it to stay where I want it to stay more. So I need to be a little patient. I don't have patience very well. I get excited about doing something, so I want to get it done fast. And then this one I really like too. These ones turned out beautiful. I'm really, 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 really happy with how these ones turned out. And this mold is wonderful. It held up really well, even with the heat. The little bit of overflow that I did get on here literally just picks right off. So it's very flimsy. It's really nice, really thick and sturdy. So I'm very happy with these molds. I do need to sand this down just a smidge just to make these edges a little bit not so sharp. And then just on this very outside here, I will outline with the silver paint pen. But overall, I'm very happy with these molds. So yeah, I will put the link in the description for BeeBeeCraft. Go check them out. They have amazing deals. Their prices are very reasonable. Like I said, it didn't take long at all for me to get when I ordered to get my order. So I definitely would recommend these. Yeah, I'm really super happy with them, and I look forward to using these a lot more than I have. But like I said, I just need to get my skill set a little bit better as far as getting it. This is beautiful. This one I love. Like, if these would, like, this one is perfect. This one is perfect. This one is pretty close. This one has a little too much black in the middle. It would have been really pretty if I would have had a little bit more glitter there. But I think they are pretty, you know, blingy, and that's what I wanted. But I do love them. The molds are fabulous. Absolutely. I'm very, very happy with them. So I do recommend these. I would give a very good review on these. Really good quality, great prices. I will definitely put the link for BeeBeeCrafts in the description. And yeah, at my next review I'll be doing for the gold leaf. I have something really fun that I'm going to be adding that to, and I'm super excited about doing that one. So we have this one here, and then I did the unboxing, and then I have one more video to make, and that will be with the gold leaf. So I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you enjoyed my little video, and any suggestions, please let me know, like how... I just think I need to be more patient with my layering. I think I get in too big of a hurry. And I don't want it to sit right like I need to. I don't know. But any suggestions, please tell me what you think. I'm open to any help, suggestion, because I love resin work. I'm really having a lot of fun doing it. Obsessed with this. I can't wait to make another set of these coasters. And I do want to make some more geodes and some, I guess the reason why I did these like this, I'm just rambling on here because I'm trying to I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I wanted them to be more blingy, Christmassy, you know, for the season. So that's why I stuck with this color and then the glitter. So, but yeah, these are going to be fun to use. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I do recommend them. I will definitely put the link in the description. Please go and check them out. If you use my link, it's no cost to you, but it helps my channel out tremendously. Any purchase that you make from BeeBeeCraft, I do get a little percentage of that, and that helps my channel as well. So yeah, I thank everybody for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye!